Robert Kraft, Wedding, Kim Kardashian, Brian Dean.
Is that a hot take?
Hot take.
That's a hot take.
A hot take.
Hot take?
But you put the Phantom after this. Or before this, sorry.
No, Phantom after. Phantom 6.
Yes, I'm saying.
Yeah, that's a hot take.
It's a hot take.
That's like a bold statement. It's a bold statement.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I would put the Phantom before that.
Hashtag hot take.
Dude, that is. Yo!
Back here, Jones on Fire, episode number
13.
Friday the 13th. Halloween's coming up. We got lots to review this week. Come check us out.
Yeah, man. That's why I'm trying to get these Jones again, man. I'm not even gonna wear them. I'm just gonna put them up with my Cherry 11s.
What'd you pick up?
The Cherry 12s. I get every colorway of the 12s. I love 12s.
You approve?
I approve. You better get them Jones.
That's right.
They're going to an event, York,
Yeah.
thinking of rocking the
I'm definitely getting one of them.
Denim Tears, black event.
I'm getting one. I'm gonna get a red one though. Cause I'm getting a red one.
You wearing the red of the black event?
Yep. Watch
He's
me.
petty.
My kind of guy.
I like being different.
My kind of guy.
I like being different. And they're gonna be like, bruh. I'm like, bruh, check the swag. It's cool. It's all right. My God. Oh man, always love coming here.
Enjoy.
Definitely,
Your daughter
definitely.
loves them. If they don't fit, let me know.
She'll love them.
She's gonna love these.
Christmas. Sneaker of the year. Christmas.
She's gonna love these. She gonna dog them.
These
But
is just her regular day wear.
All right, we got a bunch of stuff in this week. We're gonna start with the Travis Scott Golf. Apparently, you gotta be able to drive a ball 200 yards to wear these. That's what a store was doing. I wouldn't be able to wear them probably, but let me know what you think.
Drive a baseball.
And yeah, I can throw a baseball up in the air and hit it, maybe 200 yards. I think, I'm not even gonna tell you what I think. 'Cause
Brian, what do you think? 10 seconds.
The best Travis Scott golf sneaker ever.
True.
If I'm ranking them, I'm going these above the Phantom. Sorry.
Bold.
I'm still going Fragment. I'm going OG Mocha. I'm going Olive. Reverse Mocha. Golf. Phantom.
Is that a hot take?
Hot take.
That's a hot
it's
take.
a hot take.
Hot take?
But you put the Phantom after this. Or before this, sorry.
No, Phantom after. Phantom 6.
Yes, I'm saying.
Yeah, that's a hot take.
It's a hot take.
That's like a bold statement. It's a bold statement.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I would put the Phantom before that.
Hashtag hot take. I need my Urban Dictionary out. Shit. Now, put the neon laces in.
That's what
and
I
I might change my mind.
Could.
Because I'm a neon lace kind of guy. So we should do another one on that.
30th anniversary lasers. To find these not yellowed is pretty insane. These are crazy. I would wear these. See a little bit of yellowing, but most pairs you see in these are all yellow. This was a good find. And then my favorite of the day. Let's just check out this box. If you know what this box is, comment below.
John Madden.
He started off with the turkey socks, and then you get some mashed potatoes, corn, some cherry pie, nice little turkey Nerf ball. And then for the main attraction, you get the turduckens. Crazy.
When did they come out?
Don't know.
2000 and...
2000 something. You guys hungry?
What?
Oh. All right, guys, I lied because I forgot we were doing these. These are not my favorite of the day. These happen to be my favorite of the day. And actually, come with me. we're gonna let the man tell you what these are. He's gonna show them off for you. They haven't seen yet.
I need my sunglasses. Drum roll. CPFM. Cactus Plant Flea Market. CPFM, if you know I cancel all that. All right, ready? So, glistening. They glisten in the clouds. Look at these things. Robert Kraft, Wedding, Kim Kardashian, Brian Dean, or said differently, Brian Dean, Robert Kraft, Kim Kardashian. I'm wearing these to the Lions-Ravens game this weekend.
So these are personals.
No, they're for sale.
They're always for sale.
But
Everything's
they are
for sale.
gently enjoyed. And the value, when Brian Dean wears them, the value will go up. 'Cause then
BF&D.
You get to,
CPFM, BF&D.
that's right. Thank you, Sunset Sneakers, Isaiah, Ezra.
Congrats to those guys. They just hit
100,000. I thought that was a while ago, but then they just posted it again. So
Yeah,
100,000
congrats.
YouTube. And we're right behind you, brothers. We're at we just hit 1,000 thanks to my main man Ralph. 1,000. We are only 99,000 away
from a plaque.
from a plaque, and then we're only 999,000 away from 1,000,000. So what's that tell you? I can do easy math. We got a long way to go. But we appreciate our fans, and if you're not subscribing, hit that button. Subscribe now. We should do a contest with these. Like,
Nope.
Surprise, surprise.
It's a 9.5.
9.5.
We always hype that.
Surprise, surprise. I'm sorry, but this album's better than Utopia.
Hell no. Not even close.
Definitely is.
No, Utopia clears.
Bro, what's the album of the year right now? You tell me.
Utopia.
Hell no, what the fuck?
What do you think it is?
A Great Chaos.
I think it's a
Did you listen to Great Chaos?
Yeah, it's not better than. Dude, Utopia is so.
Utopia is good.
It's
I'm
good.
not dogging that.
It's good, but like for all that hype, 5 years waiting and then that drops.
It's not better than Ashton.
Definitely
Or
not
Rodeo.
better.
Rodeo's the best Travis Scott album.
I agree.
Rodeo's the best Travis Scott.
It's crazy.
I think it's probably Speak Now by Taylor Swift. That album. Just saying.
You see, like, did Travis Scott make that? Standing on business.
Yeah, that's how I fuck up.
Doesn't work.
I don't want that.
That's why I was holding it. I don't understand you. You're getting old.
I am old.
I know you are. But I still love you.
She said she was vegan, she eating a goat.
Was it like your own lyric?
That's what he said.
Why?
Listen, he goes, she said she was vegan, she eating a goat. That shit's so hard.
That is mid at best.
No, that's a bar.
Sexy a goat, she ain't a vegan.
No, she said she's a vegan, she's eating a goat. Like, you get it? She's eating a goat.
Yes, I know what you're saying, yes, but that's not a good
No,
bar.
that's a bar.
I've heard better. Let's actually Robert if you think Utopia is better than For All the Dogs.
Listen, ready? Ready. That's dude, that's the best part. That's the best part.
If that satisfies you in your ears, I guess.
It's alright though, cause Drake ain't make those.
Make what?
This song.
Thank God he didn't make this.
This is literally one of those. This
This
is the best song that's dropped this year.
Real music.
Real music. Actually thought out music.
Belong with me. Yep, right there.
No, if you're looking for like real music with real meaning, with real lyrics.
Yeah, I don't care about that. I care about like lean and stuff like that. That like when
Do
they're
you do
rapping.
lean?
No, but when they're
Do you
rapping,
do
about
lean?
it, it's hard. It's just hard.
It's
We can relate to this more than we can relate to doing lean and
I
selling
know, but
drugs.
that's just, it's way
Like,
more
you
hard.
gotta think about it. You're like 49.
Yeah?
Oh wait, why
And
am
are
I
you
not,
doing lean and selling
why
drugs?
am I not playing
Yes.
Ken
And,
Carson?
but you have a Jeep, so you've had
I
your
told
top
you.
down and with your hair undone.
I told you.
And you don't do lean or sell drugs.
I've told you you can catch me on Pembroke like this.
No,
You can catch me on Pembroke.
This is real meeting.
Hey.
Sounds fucking on Keisha.
Fighting my demons.
Hi, Ralph.
I can't relate anything to Taylor Swift. Ask Brian. Brian.
A little behind the scenes action, Nate.
Yeah, we got the new Travis Scott golf shoes. I don't know how I'm feeling about these, but it is what it is.
We're doing a little deal here, Ralphie. Travis men's 12.5 olive. My pair. What laces you going? You gotta go olive. Red.
We probably leave them
Panda Dunk.
house slippers.
One band, as they say. One
House slippers.
house. He's got it, man.
I love it.
He's rolling.